Jai Srimannarayana. 58th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yada samvarate cha ayam kurmongani va sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyah tasya prajñā pratisthita. Practice to keep your senses under your perfect control so that you can withdraw your senses if they are running towards unwanted objects. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma gives us the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall practice to keep my senses under my perfect control. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," Srimannarayana saying to Durvasa like this, "O Durvasa, I am under the custody of my own devotees, and I do not want anything other than my devotees. Even my devotees also, they do not seek anything. Edara agara putra apta pranan vittam imam paramam hitva mam sharanam yataha." They do not care their own life, their own wife, their own children, their own houses, their own properties. Tanuvu manuvu vidichi tanayula chuttala nali vidichi sampadali vidichi. They just only want me. They regard me lot superior than everything that is related to this mundane world. They do not even go back to even give up everything for my sake. And as and how a woman with her great amount of chastity keeps her own husband under her custody, and as and how she captivates her husband with her chastity, so also my devotees with their devotion captivates me. I always will listen to them because they do not ask for anything, they do not seek any wealth in these three worlds other than me. मत्सेवया प्रतीतन्ते सालोक्यादिचतुष्टयं नेच्छन्ति. While being in my seva, they do not seek even moksham also. So that is what is my great devotees. Such sadhu purushas always behaves according to my thoughts, and they do not seek anything other than me, and I do not seek anything other than them. Sadhavo hrudayam mahyam sadhunam hrudayam tvaham. They always live in my heart, I live in their heart. Like that, Sakshat Sri Vaikunthanada Srimannarayana saying to Durvasa Mahamuni. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 58th sloka. Yada samharate chayam kurmongani vasarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyaha tasya prajna pratisthita. Yada samharate chayam kurmongani vasarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyaha tasya prajna pratisthita. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.